Having your hair in dreads as a white person is disgusting. And I don't even mean that in its racist way. I mean that it's gross. Tighter coily hair works in dreads because it can still be fully cleaned. But looser hair patterns? That's not dreadlocks, that's a mat. Matted hair cannot be properly cleaned and traps dirt, moisture, and can even harbor bugs. Go get your hair untangled, bro. There are plenty of styles you can wear that aren't germ cesspools. If you don't have coily hair, you can't maintain locks. End of story. XOXO Cupid.